What's up, YouTube model builders? Doing a little quick video here on this kit. Ooh, just about knocked my paint over. I've got these to go along with this. Other than that, it's pretty much going to be box stock, except for I'm going to try to do a little bit something different on the paint. The Mobius wheels just look much better. I haven't decided if I'm going to strip them. I've got a couple of sets. I might strip a set and see how they come out in all clad. Might do the aluminum all clad, I don't know. But yeah, this will be my 48 or my entrance into the Hunter Selby truck build off. Got quite a few builds going on, well, coming up. I'm kind of wrapping one up right now, but yep, this will be my entrance into the Hunter Selby truck build off. Like I said, it's going to be mostly box stock with aftermarket wheels. I guess it's aftermarket. The Mobius wheels are actually from Revella, Germany. So I don't know how that's considered aftermarket, but we'll see. I appreciate it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.